I'm Bobby Likas. This K&N Delivers Heavy-Duty Air Filters feature is brought to you by K&N, the world's best air filter. Heavy lifting. Not everybody can do it. And if you're not up to the workout, you can get hurt. Same goes with some air filters used in weighty applications, like big rigs and motorhomes. But here's something you can pick up to lighten your load: a K&N heavy-duty air filter. K&N heavy-duty air filters are designed to lower restriction, which means air runs more freely to the engine, without the engine expending the energy to pull in the air. So where does that saved energy go? To the vehicle's legs, known as wheels, for increased horsepower. The K&N Advantage doesn't stop there. Engineered from a hybrid filter medium, K&N's heavy-duty air filters are built tough with extra strength and reinforcement, and put to the test using fine-grade test dust. For more ways that K&N delivers heavy-duty air filters, go to knfilters.com. That's knfilters.com.